General instructions for preparation of balance sheet, part 4, starting from point number D of note number 6. Point number D, other long-term liabilities. Other long-term liabilities shall be classified as A. Trade payables and B. Others. Now point number E of note number 6, long-term provisions. Long-term provisions. The amount shall be classified as A. Provisions for employee benefits and B. Others. Specify nature. Now point number F of note number 6, short-term borrowings. Number 1, short-term borrowings shall be classified as A. Loans repayable on demand from banks from other parties. B. Loans and advances from related parties. C. Deposits. And D. Other loans and advances. Specify nature. Now point number 2 of the main point F of note number 6. Point number 2, borrowings shall further be subclassified as secured and unsecured. Nature of security shall be specified separately in each case. Point 3, where loans have been guaranteed by directors or others, the aggregate amount of such loans under each head shall be disclosed. Point number 4, period and amount of default as on the balance sheet date in repayment of loans and interest shall be specified separately in each case. In respect of trade payables, the following details relating to micro, small and medium enterprises shall be disclosed in the notes. This is point number FA of note number 6, trade payables. The following details relating to micro, small and medium enterprises shall be disclosed in the notes. A. The principal amount and the interest due thereon to be shown separately, remaining unpaid to any supplier at the end of each accounting year. The principal amount and interest due there both are to be shown separately, remaining unpaid to any supplier at the end of each accounting year. B. The amount of interest paid by the buyer in terms of section 16 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006, along with the amount of the payment made to the supplier beyond the appointed day during each accounting year. C. The amount of interest due and payable for the period of delay in making payment, which have been paid but beyond the appointed day during the year, but without adding the interest specified under the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. D. The amount of interest accrued and remaining unpaid at the end of each accounting year. And E. The amount of further interest remaining due and payable even in the succeeding year until such date when the interest due above are actually paid to the small enterprise for the purpose of disallowance of a deductible expenditure under Section 23 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006. Explanation: the term appointed day, buyer, enterprise, micro enterprise, small enterprise and supplier shall have the same meaning assigned to those under clauses B, D, E, H, M and N respectively of Section 2 of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Act 2006.